Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Gather 20 to 30 fresh elderflower heads at peak bloom, choosing dry, fragrant blossoms and avoiding brown or wilted florets. Work quickly to prevent oxidation. Rinse the heads gently under cool water and shake to remove insects and debris, then strip the tiny flowers from stems. Prepare 3 lemons by scrubbing their rinds, then thinly slice to release oils while keeping pith minimal. Measure 1 kilogram of sugar or 4 cups, and set aside 3 liters of cold water so everything is ready before brewing. Place the stripped elderflowers and lemon slices in a large non-reactive container and pour 3 liters of cold water over them. Steep covered in the refrigerator or a cool area for 24 to 48 hours for full floral extraction. Meanwhile, simmer 1 liter of water, dissolve 1 kilogram of sugar, add 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 60 grams citric acid to make a preserving syrup. Cool slightly. Strain the flower infusion through fine mesh or cheesecloth, discard solids, and stir the warm syrup into the strained liquid until uniform, then bottle. Chill the bottled elderflower lemonade immediately. Refrigerate and consume within 2 weeks, or freeze in freezer-safe portions for up to 6 months. For serving, dilute the syrup. 1 part elderflower syrup to 4 parts cold water for a gentle flavor, or 1 to 3 with sparkling water for lively fizz. Adjust sweetness by tasting. For cocktails, add 45 to 60 milliliters vodka or gin per glass, or muddle cucumber and mint for a bright variation. Garnish with lemon wheels and a fresh elderflower sprig, and always label bottles with date.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.